How to use KFC coupons online. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use KFC coupons while checking out so you get different kind of discounts. Let's begin. So on your web browser you are just going to search for KFC coupon right here. And once you search for it, you're just going to open up this first link. Here you can see different codes and you also have an option to show coupon codes. So just click on this. It will open up a new website, and here you can just easily copy these KFC codes. And now all you have to do here is just go ahead and open up your KFC. If you have an app, you can access the app, and if you don't have it, you can directly access the KFC's official website and choose the location near you. And then while checking out on your card, what you can do is apply the coupon codes or promo codes right here. And once you do that, you can just easily check out, and this coupon code will be applied to your purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new uploads. I will catch you guys on the next one.